Start.
Yeah, so the last time I had come to Crossword, unfortunately there was a faux pas. I didn't have the technical expertise and the video went muted. So I have yet again come to Crosswords to explore. So I have yet again come to Crosswords to explore this venue. So this is my friend Asar. Asal, say hi.
Hello, it's nice to be live.
So this is my friend Asar, who is also a book lover. We share a common interest. So you see, salient patient.
Browse through some of the books.
Yes, I will. Salient patient. Verity. Now this is very important. Kaizen. The Japanese method of transforming habits one step at a time. Now this Kaizen is very important because Kaizen is a Japanese technique, marketing, Japanese performance technique wherein the basic emphasis is to engage in continuous quality development. So I'll try to flip through the pages and see what is there. So Kaizen says, this beautiful simple book suggests tiny changes we can make to improve all areas of life, from friendship to cluttered flat. Unlike lot of self-improvement guides, reading it made me feel calmer, at the same time motivated to sort off my cupboards and call my auntie small tweaks maybe. But these things can make the difference between good and the bad. So change the Japanese secrets that will transform your habits and help you embrace new tech challenges one small step at a time. I believe this technique of Kaizen is very, very potent technique. It's a Japanese technique, and it is also being, if I'm not wrong, it is also being used by some corporate giants in India, if I am not wrong. So Asar, are you enjoying this?
These seem to me non-fiction books.
These are non-fiction. Yes, Atomic Habits. Could you read from behind? Atomic Habits.
This is very popular.
Please
book,
read
by the
this.
way. People think when you want to change your life, you need to think big. But world-renowned habits expert James Clear has discovered another way. And the other way is, he knows that real change comes from the compound effect of hundreds of small decisions. Doing 2 push-ups a day, waking up 5 minutes earlier, or reading just one more page. He calls them atomic habits. Yeah.
Who's the author? It's a world famous book.
James Clear. The idea is that
Let me see. James Clear. Yes, you please share.
the idea is that instead of doing an enormous thing, why not do small things on daily basis? This is
On a similar theme, I guess there is an Indian author who has written a book called God of Small Things, if you remember, Asar.
Arundhati Roy, I guess.
Arundhati Roy, she has written. So that book was also very good. I'm not a big fan of non-fiction book. I have read Paulo Coelho, Alchemist, Who Moved My Cheese, and The Headache, Fountainhead and Atlas Shrugged. I have managed to read those books and a few others, but I am more a person who likes fiction book more than non-fiction book. That is because fiction books are like storytelling. You see, lot of us think that you do. You should.
There are some
You should.
Jeffrey Archer.
Lot of people think that you know, movie is perhaps the best form of entertainment. Believe me, you reading fiction books like from, let's say, Jeffrey Archer, John Grisham, Dan Brown, Robert Ludlum, our Shashi Tharoor, Arundhati Rai,
Right.
Anita Desai, and Honorable C. R.K. Narayan. These are just fabulous in nature. So, you know, it will not only improve your communication skills, and it will not only improve your knowledge, but it will expose you to different cultures. Staying put in your room, you will be able to experience different cultures, norms, and societies. And one very important thing that I like to say, reading books makes you intelligent. Reading books makes you intelligent. You become a critical thinker. Beckham.
Yeah, absolutely true.
So we'll Asar, kindly share your inputs on reading habits.
Well, if you had asked me this question 5 years back, I would have said you that.
By the way, Asar, sir, you tell me where did you do your schooling from?
From Sitamarhi.
Was it a Hindi medium school?
Yes, it was Bihar board.
There is Asar Adil. He has studied in Sitamarhi Hindi medium school. Name of your school?
LMH School, High School.
LMH school. Okay, fine. You kindly share with me what is your opinion on reading books?
Tremendously joyful, I would say, apart from enriching you in terms of knowledge, obviously, and you get to see world through different doors. Every book is a door, and through which you enter, and then you get to explore the other kind of world. Then again, it's about joy as well. Like, it gives you sheer pleasure. So I read books mostly out of pleasure because I love reading. That is the thing actually.
Who are your favorite authors?
In terms of fiction, I would say Jeffrey Archer.
Jeffrey Archer.
Yes, and few classics like Oscar Wilde.
Oscar
I
Wilde.
love this drama.
Literature. Kindly share your literature taste.
See, I love poetry. If you go pure literature, I love poetry.
Who is your best poet?
Among romantic poets. like
So
John
you
Keats,
have Acha, among romantic.
Yes.
What is the name?
P.B. Shelley.
P.B. Shelley.
John
Please
Keats.
continue. Please continue.
However, both of them lived very short life, but they made great impact. They have, in fact, changed the whole course of poetry. Wordsworth is everyone's favorite. I guess you remember
The daffodils.
Yes, and John Keats, very popular. A thing of beauty is joy forever. Things like that. Then again, Shakespeare as well. His sonnets are amazing.
And how about this thing, John Milton and this man,
These are
Somerset
people.
Somerset Maugham.
Somerset Maugham, yes.
Yes.
Again, in fiction. in
What
history,
is your comment on Somerset Maugham?
See, he was a doctor.
Doctor.
He abandoned the profession and moved to writing. Like, writing possessed him, one would say. And then he wrote what he wrote.
Okay, we'll continue this conversation and we'll also try to engage other people if it is possible. In the meantime, kindly look at what is the a collection of books available here. So it is believed that in Patna, people may not have a reading taste. In Patna, Bihar, people may not have reading taste. See, I am trying to say, seeing is believing. It is generally believed that perhaps in Patna, expecting people to read Jeffrey Archer and Atomic Habits and Literature, Somerset Maugham, perhaps can be looked into. But you see for yourself if people in Bihar, Patna, they have this reading habit or not. So these are people So these are people. Hello, sir. Who are you, sir?
My name is Sandeep.
Acha, acha. Which book? Why have you come here, sir?
I come here to search a book that is from my interest.
That is for?
That is my interest. Actually, I love to.
That is your interest.
Yes, yes. I love to read non-fictional book like
Non-fiction book.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sir. Which kinds of books?
Yeah, like I have recently finished Atomic Habits. That's
Atomic Habits.
by James Clear.
Yeah, right.
It's a very nice book,
Excellent.
and you can improve your personality by reading these books.
Very good.
By inculcating small habits, you can change your life. Because to change your life, it doesn't require too much of hard work. You just have to change your small habits, and it's a daily practice. Then you will become a very good personality.
Sir, tell us about your education.
I have completed my graduation from CM Science College, Darbhanga.
From
CM Science College, Darbhanga. That is my
Darbhanga Science College.
Yeah.
And your schooling, sir?
Yeah, schooling it's also in Darbhanga.
Was it Hindi medium school or English?
Yeah, it was a Hindi medium school.
So it was a point to be noted. If you have the willingness to learn and the passion to learn, you can learn a language.
Definitely.
English language is learnable.
Yeah,
So any message you like to give to
I
people
just-
of Patna and Bihar in terms of
I just-
reading books?
I just want to say that by reading books, you not only increase your knowledge, but also you get a lot of experience of different cultures. Like when you read a book of foreign authors, then you get to know that how they
Which
live in
foreign
style.
authors have you read, sir?
Like I recently read James Clear. I already have told about that. And also I read a book Ikigai. That's a Japanese book. It's a very marvelous book. If you want to, it shows that Ikigai means that you require a purpose. Okay, you should be a purpose in your life. Actually,
You should be purpose driven.
yeah, purpose-driven book that is. And it's also have given a lot of lifestyle habits that how should you choose your food to live a long life. That's
Wish you good luck, sir. Wish you good luck.
Thank you. Nice to talk.
So you see, this man including, kindly share your name, sir.
My name is Sandeep Kumar Roshan.
From which place?
From Darbhanga, but I leave Patna from last 5 to 6 years.
So this guy is from Darbhanga. He studied in Hindi medium school and he is kind of also done schooling from a government college. But you saw for yourself what was his ability in terms of communication. I'll try to engage other people also. Half price, 50% off. Priyanka Jonas, unfinished. When I saw how people were looking at me on my first, बस 5 मिनट. Okay, there is kind of the person is saying that perhaps they would have their own difficulties. So I'll have to end up this video. Nevertheless, half a minute, sir. Half a minute. So this was crossword. There are some difficulties being registered by the authorities. So perhaps I have been able to successfully demonstrate to the people that people even in Bihar and Patna are able to enjoy and read books. And mark my words, reading books makes you intelligent. So make books your lifelong friend. With that said, I close. Thank you.